हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग? आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे एंड वेलकम फॉर टुडेज एपिसोड. तो आज का एपिसोड आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट द लिप केयर. फॉर इट इज़ लेट मी मेंशन इट वेरी क्लियरली, इट इज़ फॉर बोथ मेन एंड वुमेन. ओके, दोनों के लिए ही ये सब चीज़ें लागू होती हैं. And I'm not any of the dermatologist. I'm not any professional. It is just that for so many years what I have experienced it personally, I'm just sharing it with you guys. So that's it. So let's begin. Simple. I'm gonna share 12 points with you. Okay, please do watch till end, and all of them are really useful and they really work. But if you continue using them, you might not see the results immediately, but trust me, have some patience and then see your lips will glow. Okay, so let's begin. First, number one rule is do not, no, do not lick your lips. So that's very common thing that everybody does, most of us does. Even in fact I myself was doing it for a very longer period of time. तो होता ये है कि when you start doing that, एक बार आप करोगे ना, फिर आपको लगेगा फिर बार बार you'll, because once you do, you feel your lips are even more dried. So again you want to do it to make it wet, but समझने वाली बात ये है, because you are licking it, your saliva is making it dry again and again. So first thing, you have to stop it. I understand it is completely very difficult task because it took me many years to come out from that habit. So definitely it will take time, but always keep that alarm into your mind that no, I'm not supposed to lick my lips. Okay, so that's one. Second thing is, do not, at any cost, do not bite और peel your chapped lips. Okay, जब भी ड्राई हो जाता है, most of them we keep doing it कि हाँ ऐसे उसको बस किसी भी तरह अपने दांतों से निकालना है और we just peel it off. Then what happens कि थोड़ा थोड़ा blood आने लगता है, and that is really not good for your skin and really not good for your lips. So please don't do that. Okay, now comes the third one. Well, so now you might ask ki, if you're not supposed to bite, if you're not supposed to peel, how should I get rid of that dry lips, that chapped lips? So here you go. The solution is, before you go to bed every night, apply some good moisturizer to your skin. Okay, I'm going to talk about that later. So apply some good moisturizer onto your skin, so that will soak your skin. Okay, soak your lips. So when you wake up in the morning, just use some cotton towel. Do not use any Turkish towel or any soft towels. Use some cotton towel. Make a little wet, squeeze and gently rub over your lips. So by doing that, you'll see all the dried skin would slowly come out. Okay, if you're a really lazy person, you don't want to do that, then you have another option. Use a brush. Okay, you of course will go to the bathroom to brush your teeth, right? So use the brush. If you want, you can keep a separate small little brush, softer brush, to exploit your lips. So use that, just make it a little wet, just slowly rub over your lips so that that will remove all the dry skin. By doing this, all the dead skin would come out and you'll feel a fourth step. Here it comes. So fourth step is, keep yourself hydrated as much as possible. Okay, most of us with the busy schedule, I understand we always have the tendency to forget to drink water, but it is very important to keep ourselves healthier even from the inside, not only from the outside. Always keep in mind to at least intake 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. I know sometimes even I just forget to do it with the busy schedules, but you have to do it. Okay, so when you start doing it, you'll feel that your lips are slowly coming back to the normal moist. They are not getting dry. Try to use citrus for your lip cleansing. So the very good option is lemon or lemon juice, or even if you are using some lemon, you squeeze it and then turn it over and slowly rub over your lips. Okay, that's it. Trust me, just 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice will really work, and you can see that result immediately. Your lips would look a little brighter. It will give you a fuller look. But very important thing to note is, when you have cracked lips or when you have super dry lips, please do not do this, because you'll get that burning sensation and things may go worse. So always do that when you don't have any chapped lips, your lips has come to a normal moist, then you can apply the lemon juice. This will really work magic. Next is moisturize your lips. Okay, so when we talk about moisturizing your skin or your lips, the very first thing that comes into my mind is aloe vera gel. If you have a plant, a real plant into your home, please trust me, just break it, take the gel and apply directly to your skin. That will really give you a good results, and if you continue doing it, you can definitely see a good results into it. So because aloe vera gel has healing properties into it, so definitely that will heal your lips and it will give you. Another tip is using vitamin E oil. Okay, so vitamin E capsules, I think most of, not most, I think even the smaller medical shops will definitely find them. Vitamin E capsules, you can just cut it, you'll have oil inside, just directly apply to your fingertip and apply over your lips. That's it, simple. Just do a simple 30 seconds of massage to your lips, and that will really make your lips very softer. And vitamin E has the content that will help generating new cells into your lips. Next is using SPF, the sun protection for your lips. Usually what happens, whenever we step out, we always take care of our skin, okay, our neck, our arms, our hands, everything. मतलब हम हर जगह SPF sun protection लगाते हैं, but we always forget our lips. Please understand, the lips are most sensitive part of our face. Okay, so you have to use sun protection even for your lips. You have good sun protection for your lips. So always make sure whenever you buy some lip balm or any of the sun protection for your lips, make sure you buy with SPF 15 or above. Okay, so any product you use for your lips, make sure you have the SPF content into it. Next, limit as much as exposure to the toxins, okay, for your lips, because they are really not good. Toxins like polluted air, bad pollution, chemicals, lot of things. Okay, so always make sure that you cover your lips. Because of toxins, your lips may get darker and wrinkled, so you don't want to do that at any point in time, right? Very important thing, take off your makeup before you hit your pillow. Okay, at any cost, no matter how tired you are. But the very most important thing is to take off your makeup, okay, even for your lips. Maybe there are at times you have applied the lipstick or the lip balm in the morning and you have just eaten it. Okay, but end of the day you may not find it, but still some of the contents of it would still remain, the dust would still remain on your lips. So the best thing what you can do is take a little of rose water, just remove it, or just wash your face and use some coconut oil and then just next apply. Thing is, always use a little of primer, okay, before applying any product onto your lips, lipsticks or maybe lip gloss or any of the product. Even before applying such thing, just use a little of primer, a natural primer. And a natural primer, nothing can be good than a coconut oil or an almond oil. So just a little bit, just apply and then apply whatever product you want to use. You can shine. Always check your product the contents of the product. It is really very important to always check the contents of the product what you're using. Always choose a product which has ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, almond oil. Always look for the ingredients what it is containing of the product, the lip balm, anything whatever you're using. So these are ingredients are really good for your lips, okay, and it will act as a barrier, and it will also protect your skin. So that's all guys. I hope this little experience all put in together would help you in some or the other way. I'll really be happy if this helps you out. So most of my friends had asked for this video, and actually this is going long. Actually there are two more things. I'll definitely post it continuously following weeks. The next video that would be coming up is preparing a homemade, very natural and healthier scrub for your lips. Okay, I'll be preparing 3 different scrubs, and definitely I'll post this video after this, probably by next Monday. Post that continuously I'll update the other video to prepare a natural lip balm at home, which will really benefit your lips. So please stay tuned, okay, watch the videos continuously. You can watch all 3 together if you want to. I'll however link when I post them. I'll link all the 3 together so that you can watch them all together, and I hope this little video would have really benefited you. And very important thing I wanted to tell in the beginning, but I just forgot. So very important thing is you cannot change your lip color, okay, your natural lip color. Definitely please accept there are not all the lips can be turned into pinkish or very light. So every person has their own skin color and their own lip color. You cannot change the natural texture of it. But yes, because the time passes, we have been polluted our skin. We have been there are many dead cells which has affected our skin and our lips. So definitely we can help to remove that. We can definitely work out to remove that and get into your natural skin. But there is no such product that can completely turn your lips into super pinkish or something. Yes, there are definitely dermatological treatment for it that they can do it, but naturally no. So please accept your complexion, your lips, your color as it is, okay. Try to brighten yourself as you are. Just try to enhance yourself as you are. Love yourself as you are. So on this note, I'm gonna say tata. See you all guys in next video. I think in next cooking video, and please do watch all the videos. And if you are new to the channel, please, I'm so tired talking. If you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You're not supposed to leave. If you have watched till here, definitely that means you have liked the video or the content or me. So please do subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye. See you all. Stay happy and spread love. See ya. Bye bye.